Hello dear students, today we are going to study our 17th lesson, Management of Forts and the Navy. In this lesson, the points we are going to study: building forts, managements of fort, guns and ammunition, the Navy, intelligence department and guerrilla tactics. So students, let's start with our first point. But before start our first point, Shivaji Maharaj conquered many enemies to establish his Swaraj. Be it war or governance, his management skill can be seen in all areas. Let us learn about the management skill of Shivaji Maharaj in this lesson. Do you know what is management skill? Management skill means working in a disciplined manner on a task one has undertaken to achieve a definite goal. Students, the management skill of Shivaji Maharaj are seen at all times in the battle he fought, all his life and also in his overall administration. Let us look at the few examples. Building forts. Shivaji Maharaj protected his Swaraj with the help of the forts. In the book Adhyan Patra or Royal Edict, the importance of the fort has been adeptly assumed and follows. The essence of the whole kingdom is forts. Shivaji Maharaj roamed through the Sahyadri range in his youth. On countless occasions, he had gazed at the forts situated in the Sahyadri. He had understood the importance of the fort in the protection of Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj built all the three types of forts: forest forts, hill forts and sea forts. A sea fort is also known as Janjira. Students, he employed experts like Hiroji Indulkar and Harjoji Yadav to build many new forts like Raigad, Pratapgarh and Sindhudurg. He repaired some old forts like Vijayadurg, Torana and Ragina fort and built the new forts of Raigad. He had about 300 forts. Students, do you know? It is believed that the book Adhyan Patra was written by Ramchandra Pant Amatya at the order of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, the younger son of Shivaji Maharaj. Here you can see the forts Rajgarh, Sindhudurg, Shivneri, Purandar, Sinhagad and Murwad Janjira. These are the few forts which was rebuilt by Shivaji Maharaj. Students, let's see our next point, management of forts. Shivaji Maharaj had made definite arrangement for the protection of forts. One each fort, the officers Kiledar, Sabnis and Kharkanis were appointed. The Sabnis and Kharkanis worked under the Kiledar. Their work is shown in the chart below. But before that, here an image shows the 8 ministers of Shivaji Maharaj: Prime Minister, Amatya, Sachiv, Mantri, Senapati, Sumant, Nyayadhish and Pandit Rao. These are the very important part of, we can say, ministers of Shivaji Maharaj kingdom. Here a chart of Kiledar. The Kiledar rule to protect and administer the fort, to issue order to the Sabnis and Kharkanis, to follow government orders, instruction and letter. Here the two parts divided, Sabnis and Kharkanis. On left hand side you can see Sabnis and right hand side Kharkanis. Sabnis role to keep accounts, record income and expense on the fort, to collect revenue, tax from the subject on the fort and around it, to handle the correspondence. And the right side Kharkanis supply grains and goods to the people living on the fort, to arrange the ammunition for the guns and framework at the time of war, to look after the maintain the fort and building on it. Now students, let's see the next point, guns and ammunition. At the time of Shivaji Maharaj, guns means cannon of the various size were used to protect the forts from the enemy. The guns were placed on the bastion and perfection of the fort. Some forts like Purandar and Bhimgarh had provision for making guns. Guns were made from the metal like iron, brass, copper, etc. In the rainy season, the guns were given the wax coating to prevent rusting. Iron and the stone cannonball and cluster shot were fired at the enemies from the guns. The shot and explode mixture was used. The Navy. A navy consists of warship. The English, the Portuguese, the Swedes and the Dutch had a strong naval force. Some of these people used to plunder the villages on the sea coast and fortify the villages. Shivaji Maharaj created an independent navy to permanently subdue these enemies on the sea. Shivaji Maharaj raised several dockyards to build ships for various sizes. He gained control over the old sea forts by winning them in the battle. He had repaired sea forts like Suvendradurg, Vijayadurg. He built a new sea fort called Sindhudurg on the Scottish Island near Malvan. He also built the fort of Khanderi near Mumbai. The Swaraj Navy include the people belonging to the various seafaring communities like Koli, Pandhari and Agri, Daulata Khan, Mayank Bandari, Lai Patil and Daisaringi. Tukeji Agri were some of these great men of his period, skilled in naval warfare. Because of the Maratha Navy, the English, the Portuguese, the Swedes and the Dutch, who were the enemies of the Maratha, began to fear and respect them. The Nazis to the Swaraj was reduced by raising an independent and strong navy. Shivaji Maharaj defined his territorial water and established dominations over the coastal area. He safeguarded his sea coast. This navy was the first of its kind in the medieval India. That is why he is regarded as the father of Indian Navy. Intelligence Department. There was a well-organized and very efficient system of army intelligence and espionage. Biharji Naik was the chief of this branch. The accurate information that he obtained helped greatly in the making the campaign like the Surat campaigning successful. Shivaji's spies find out the details from information about the enemy's camp. Shivaji Maharaj started no offenses lest he had gathered information from his spies. That is how he planned his campaign. Guerrilla tactics. In the defense strategy of Shivaji Maharaj, guerrilla tactics was especially important. Guerrilla tactics include sudden and unexpected attack on the enemy at a strategic place and time. Guerrilla army attacked the enemies and without giving them time to recover, reaches a safe destination. Shivaji Maharaj was helped by these dense forests and hills forts in the Sahyadri and the support of his subjects in the guerrilla warfare. Students, do you know Shivaji Maharaj had a disciplined army? His soldiers treated women with respect. Shivaji Maharaj therefore come to know as the protector of women. He had strictly warned his soldiers not to drink alcohol, not to trouble his subject. Students, subject means the people and not to export money from them. Students, hope you understood this lesson very well. I'm giving question answers for this lesson. Thank you.